Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepared this amazing herb steak bites. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now, let us cook. So guys, here we have our steak. Now for the steak, I am using inside round. First, I'm going to be cutting it in strips. Then I'm going to be cutting it in bite-sized portion. So now guys, you want to add corn oil to your steak just so that the season can stick to it. Now for the season, first I'm using rosemary and dried parsley flakes. I have steak season, paprika, garlic and onion powder. And you want to just distribute that all over your steak and combine everything. Now guys, I have some lumps in my garlic powder, but you can just go ahead, use your plastic spoon and just crush that. No biggie. Now guys, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of corn oil to that skillet. I'm gonna allow it to heat, then I'm gonna be adding my steak bites. Now guys, you wanna cook your steaks for about a minute to a minute and a half on each side until they are golden brown. Don't allow it to overcook because then your steak is gonna be rubbery and tough, and nobody enjoys a rubbery and tough steak, guys. Trust me. So now guys, I'm turning the steak bites and this has been like a minute and a half, and this is a perfect sear that we are looking for. Also guys, important note, my steak is pretty flat, so it also depends on the size or the cut of meat that you guys are going to be using for your steak bites also. So if it's a thicker cut, you want to cook that for longer, or it also depends on how you like your meat to be cooked. So now guys, I'm removing the steak bites and these were just beautifully prepared, guys. These were so amazing. I'm honestly not lying to you guys. These were amazing. So now I'm removing the steak bites and I'm gonna be cooking these in batches. For my second batch, I'm gonna be repeating the same process. I didn't want to add all the steak bites to the skillet at once because then it won't sear, it's just gonna steam. And here we have the final product, guys. I went ahead and topped that with some dried parsley flakes and also some fresh rosemary, guys. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and please, guys, go and follow me on Instagram at Alicia's_kitchen. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.